What's going on, guys? Today's video we are going to be talking about switching my seasonal clothes from winter to summer. I did not do this last year, and I guess one of the reasons why is I thought I was going to have enough room in my little closet, and someone gave me an idea to put all of the spring and summer clothes in an extra storage bin and put it in my shed. But I realized, see those things up there? I have those, and those have a little bit of winter clothes in them, so I'm going to take those winter clothes out and put some of the spring clothes inside there. Hopefully the spring clothes will be out of the way, and then I will have a full winter wardrobe that I can pick through because I get dressed downstairs now. So let's get started. I'm going to show you my downstairs closet and the mess that it is, and then I'm going to show you those bins upstairs to show you what we are working with. So this is a mess. Look at how many of those I stuffed in there, and I can barely get to any of them. That is because I have winter clothes and summer clothes, spring clothes all in one. I've got clothes that don't fit on there, I've got clothes that are too big to fit in there, and I've got just a bunch of clothes. So we are going to go check out what we're working with upstairs, and we're going to start organizing. And up here we have 5 of those plastic containers that basically hold clothes that I don't use and winter clothes. But we're going to rearrange completely all of my clothes and see how it works for me. I'm also going to be taking out clothes that I don't wear in here, and those are things that I'm going to put in the shed so that I can gain more room in these plastic storage bins. Alright, so let's start with my top shelves. I'm going to take out this sweatshirt, and this sweatshirt, and we're bringing them downstairs. That means that these three are going to be hung up, and summer clothes can go in here, just simply folded until next year. These are a bunch of purses. Let's find a different spot for them. We'll figure out where to put them. Yeah, I have way too many purses. Holy shit. Oh my god! Cats everywhere. And definitely we're gonna have to find out what to do with all these purses because, yeah, I'm kind of speechless right now. Like, look at all of these purses. That's a lot of freaking purses, isn't it? And I don't use any of them. Sorry, Rome's. Hi, Whisper. Third one. Work pants that I don't even use. Another t-shirt. And then pajama pants and comfortable pants. So we're going to put those downstairs too because these are more for winter as well. Alright. Then my next drawer we have all of my long sleeve shirts. Put those right there. Here's another couple hoodies that I'm going to pull out. 2 hoodies, so we're gonna rearrange and put these downstairs as well. These 2 sweaters, another sweater, and another 3 sweaters. These are all going downstairs. I really hope this is gonna make it easier. Look! Kitten! And another one! Okay, this is my scrubs when I used to work at naturopathic doctor, or for my naturopathic doctor and my chiropractor. We might end up putting these outside. All right, all 5 plastic containers are empty. I'm gonna take all this stuff downstairs and we're gonna see what we have to work with downstairs. There is the mess of clothes that I just brought down, and there's kittens. So we are going to take out some of these spring and summer clothes out of there, and then just add these winter clothes. Now, what I'm gonna do, instead of bringing the things out here and bringing them upstairs, I'm actually going to bring a couple of the plastic containers down here, and then we'll bring them back upstairs. I don't even know where to start. I have one of these on the floor, and I'm gonna take out all the clothes, and then we are going to take them, all the summer and spring stuff off, and put them in these bins, and then we're going to keep the sweatshirt type stuff up there for the fall and winter. So let's see what we get into. Tons of stuff, my gosh. All right, we're just gonna fold these. I mean, hopefully when I take them out next year, they won't be all wrinkled. I think sweatshirts can afford to be more in a plastic container, but we're gonna see how this works for 1 year. Now remember, when you're doing this, if you come across things that you don't wear or haven't worn in, say, a year, some people even do 6 months, either take it to Goodwill, give it to a friend, sell it online, do whatever you have to do to get rid of it. This one is more of a, I'm gonna keep this one to the side. And the reason I say that is because you can wear it in the fall with like jeans and boots and then wear a jacket over it. So it can turn into a fall outfit, but it's more of a dressy fall outfit, which I still dress up in the fall and winter. So why only wear jogging pants and yoga pants and stretch pants and sweatshirts and sweaters in the winter when you can wear a shirt, like a dressy shirt, and then a jacket to cover yourself. Going through the clothes piece by piece allows you to analyze each and every piece separately, as opposed to thumbing through them or fishing through them trying to see, no, I don't wear this, I don't wear this. All right, this first plastic bin seems about filled, so I'm gonna grab another one and we're gonna start filling that one. There are cats everywhere in this house. You know what? These are sleeveless rompers. I think I'm just going to give them away. These were cute though. So we're gonna give them up. All right, you know, honestly, I wore this one time for a friend's birthday party, 40th birthday party, and I am never gonna wear it again. So I kind of wasted money on this. So I'm going to put that in my giveaway pile. Okay, it is time to get a new bin. So I'm going to have to go bother Rocky again. I'll use this one first, okay? And these two kittens are still in here playing with their toys. Bit of room here left, and I've got a good amount of clothes left to put on here. So I kind of just threw everything together and it looked like a mess. So now I seriously want to take the time to try to fix it to make it look nice and to see if it works better for me in this small space. And then maybe that can give you guys the idea to put your old stuff or your winter and fall stuff away and then transfer the clothes. Tiny Dreamer Jen. This is from my friend Troll Media 2, as seen on YouTube. Him and his lovely wife made that for me. Thank you. And another friend gave me this. Thank you. All right, so we're almost to the end of doing the switch. And if you notice, look at how much room we have left on the rod. The other things that we have that used to be sitting right here were my jeans. I think I'm gonna hang my jeans up. Now I'm actually doing laundry as we speak, so this is one of the reasons why I chose to do this video now, was so that all of my clothes were done, all of them have a home, everything has a place. That's my whole thing with my tiny house thing. And this is just the challenges of living tiny. Like I said, I've never done this before, so I didn't know what this was going to entail. Although, So if I did want to use my shed, I could totally do that. I've got about 3 or 4 big plastic storage bins that had just a bunch of stuff in them, and now they're being held in my shed with nothing in them. However, I want to try to keep my clothes away from the elements, because in the summer I want to have all these clothes ready for me to wear. Last but not least, my scrubs. So I don't work as a naturopathic doctor assistant or a chiropractic assistant anymore, but I still do have these scrubs in case a caretaker position opens up and I need some, because they were the most comfortable scrubs ever. Let's put these scrubs back in the bin so that we could save the extra room up there for the rest of the clothes. I'm going to take these 3 bins upstairs and then put the other 2 bins, probably put the purses in there, and then we'll save the other bin for these shirts and probably yoga pants, because I don't think there's going to be room down here for yoga pants. I've got a lot of clothes, but I have enough room, and I am not hard up for space or anything. So yeah, let's go do that. And I'm gonna take you guys with me. This is the amount of hangers I have left before I put my laundry away. And now I just got my laundry out, and I'm gonna go fold it and put it all away to where they all go, and we'll see how many more hangers that we use. Okay, so I put those yoga pants away, I put the t-shirts away, and all of my summer and spring clothes are in these containers right now. And Whisper, hi. So I'm gonna show you it fit, and I actually rolled those so that they could fit better. If I have any more stuff, I could put it back there. So let's go take a look at the rest of the stuff that I got from the laundry downstairs and how it fits on the rod. So I actually think this looks really nice. There's no excess stuff hanging or folded right there. We have a lot of hangers left over, so what I'm gonna do is tuck all of these hangers and I'm gonna put them behind here. But I think all of the winter clothes fit really well right here. Let's go take a look at what we got rid of. Okay, so we have minimal clothes that we got rid of, but just imagine if we had to hang those up, that those would need space too. Because I don't wear any of these anymore, I'm just gonna give them away or give them to Goodwill or whatever. Yep, we'll call it a day. So that was actually a bigger task than I thought it was going to be. I wanted to make room for a couple of the, like, say, hoodies and spring and summer coats, as opposed to I wanted to put more, I wanted to have more room for the winter coats, but looks like those things aren't going to be happening, so I'll keep the winter coats there as well as the hoodies. That is how you switch over your summer clothes, spring clothes to winter, fall clothes. If you live in a tiny house or you're going to, make sure you prepare for this kind of stuff, because this is, I think, one thing I did not prepare for was extra clothes. I kind of just brought all the clothes I thought I was going to wear, but then I bought a few more clothes, and just because you're living in a tiny house doesn't mean your hoarder tendencies aren't going to come back. So they started coming back, I started getting more clothes, and I needed to actually do the switcheroo of, seasonal clothes. I hadn't even thought about doing a seasonal switch. So, but there you have it. If you guys like this video and like my channel, please subscribe, share, and like, and I will see you guys in the next video. So if you guys like this video,